This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Marnie Weaver. Welcome to Cypress Creek. This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home has an open concept on the main floor and offers an abundance of natural light through multiple windows and sliding glass doors that lead out to fully fenced backyard. The kitchen is equipped with all appliances and breakfast bar that opens up to living/dining areas, creating a perfect flow for everyday living. Upstairs, the primary bedroom has a large walk-in closet, dual sinks and walk-in shower. 3 additional bedrooms share full hall bath. Added benefit of solar panels, average monthly bill is $40, hurricane shutters and security system. HOA includes basic cable and internet, access to 3 pools, dog barks, 2, playground, fitness center and more. Great location, close to shopping, restaurants, churches and golf courses. You can be to some of the nicest beaches in FL in less than an hour. For more information